Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your spending tracker with YNAB, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the basics of YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. Visit the YNAB website and sign up for an account if you haven't done so already. Once you log in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard and navigation bar. Now, start by creating your first budget. Click on the Add a Budget button. Enter a name for your budget that reflects your financial goals. Next, set a time frame for your budget. Choose whether you want to create a monthly budget or a different interval. After that, you'll want to add your income sources. Click on the Add Income button to input your various income streams. Make sure to give each income source a descriptive name for clarity. Once your income is set, move on to creating budget categories. Think about your regular expenses like groceries, rent, and utilities. Click on Add Category to list out these expenses. Set specific budget amounts for each category based on your financial goals. Now, let's discuss tracking your spending. Download the YNAB mobile app for tracking expenses on the go. When you make a purchase, open the app and select the appropriate category. Enter the amount spent to ensure your budget stays up to date. Utilize the Goals feature to set targets for each category. This will help keep you motivated and accountable. Highlight any areas where you tend to overspend. Adjust budget amounts as necessary to better reflect your spending habits. Review your budget regularly, ideally once a week. This will ensure you stay on top of your financial goals. You can also use the Reports feature to visualize your spending trends. Analyze the data to find areas for improvement. Consider setting aside funds for irregular expenses. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.